Guangzhou Lightsource Electronics Technology Limited, Liliwise hereby, was established in 2014 in Guangzhou, China. In the past 5 years of product development, Liliwise, working as an innovator, has been supplying full range and full sizes of smart door locks, fingerprint residential locks, Airbnb locks, hotel locks, glass door locks. Liliwise delicate product developing, concept define, appearance forming, mechanical design, functions upgrading, with the aim of providing upmarket innovations to customers. Liliwise has been focusing on quality control. Each all new design will endure 200,000 times of service life test, 24 hours of mainboard aging test, 72 hours of salt spray test, and more. So far, our company has got 11 appearance design patent certifications, and those certifications as CE, ROS, and FCC. We support OEM and ODM production with strong production capacity. No matter the customization of appearance structure and function, or the customization of logo and package, we can also design and make the custom product promotion pictures and videos for you. Being Liliwise's customer, you can get not just the products, but the comprehensive service we supply to you to help you begin your business of smart door locks in cost-effective and efficient way. We devote to quality smart goods made in China. We devote to bring customer perfect items with high benefits. We devote to bring staff high valuation